Hello everybody, welcome to Passive Income Source channel. In this video, I will talk about how to make money online with affiliate marketing in the right way. Of course, I will share with you in this video the right formula that you need to use if you are looking for to be successful with affiliate marketing. A lot of new marketers, they are trying to make money with affiliate marketing, but most of them, they are not making anything. So the biggest reason of that is they are using some tricks, short-term period tricks or ways which are not going to help them. So if you are looking for to make money with affiliate marketing in the right way, and especially for the long-term strategy, let us go deep into this formula. As you can see, you need, if you are looking for to make money with affiliate market, these steps are the main steps that you have to follow if you are really successful wanting to make money with affiliate marketing. Especially, you first need traffic. You can get traffic in a free way, free methods, like you go make articles on Google, or you record videos on YouTube. So you can attract a lot of traffic from Google, from YouTube, from social media, and then you are leading them to lead capture page, which is really very crucial. You need to follow this formula where you are attracting, you are leading the people from some platform like Facebook, Google, or YouTube, or another platforms or search engines. Then you lead them to lead capture page. That's very crucial. You have no advantage if you lead the people directly to the sales page. You can do it, but it's difficult to make with cold traffic, direct sales or upsells. So it's always important to welcome this traffic and keep them into your system, and then they help you make money. So it's interesting always to take them to lead capture. You first get the people from, for example, from Facebook. These are some advertisements I've been doing last few days. So you can get with leads with 10 cent, or sometimes less than that. So as you can see, I'm getting 10 cent, 12 cent, 6 cents. As you see here, the next step you need is you if you collect those people, you need these people to go directly to the lead capture page, which is look like this. Yeah, where you are talking about something free, you give them something free webinar or free PDF, free course, then they give you their emails. So it is very important to get their database, and then you can market them as you wish. So it is always important to collect their database, because you can make sales at the back end. You get the people and collect them or send them to lead capture, where you are capturing their names and emails, and then they register. When they come to this page, directly they can go to the thank you page, where you are giving them the instructions that you want. So the people are coming to, when you capture their names and emails, you automatically send into this area where Aweber will help you to get their subscribers. As you gather their emails or names, then people will come to this thank you page. You give them the free PDF, but before that you are asking them to watch some free training or to join something where you are looking for those people. You are sending those people to an offer. You put those links that you are promoting, and at here, this I am sending the people the free PDF. They are downloaded from here. So I'm giving them what I have already promised them, and also I am promoting something on here. So I wish by doing that I make some upsells. But if I in case didn't to do that, I'm not worried about anything. I have already collected their emails and names, so I can market as I wish. You are collecting people from search engines or from other platforms to the lead capture, where you are collecting their emails and names, and then you send them to thank you page, where they get what you have promised, or the link of the PDF or the video, and then you are sending them also to an offer. at the same time to make some upsells. Since you have their database, if they make some sales here, or yeah, from thank you page you can send to the offer. If they make sales, it's okay, you are making, yeah, at front sales you are making some sales. But if in case they do not make you any money, you have their database, and then you send them emails. You send them emails, and in that way you get some a percentage from them to make you money. You are getting some money from them. So that this is the formula that people it's the right formula that you need to use. I'm sending them emails, so they are opening. So as you see, 30% to 40% of them are going to open my emails. So I'm thinking, I'm expecting that these people anyway will make me some sales. So nothing I have to worry about. I have their database, and then also they makes me some sales. That's what I care mostly. So if I even break even, I have already there that if you are trying to sell something to cold traffic and you are not collecting their emails and names, you are wrong, you are mistaken. You need to understand this formula, and this is the way we need to make money with affiliate marketing. Otherwise, you are killing your time, you are wasting your time. Majority of the people are not buying anything from you if they don't know you. They need to trust you first. So you have to prepare them, you have to welcome them, you have to give them some value, and then they will make you some sales. So at the back end you will make a lot of sales. So if you even do not make any sales, you can send them, these people, to subscribe to your YouTube channel, to subscribe to also consume your information, your videos, consume your articles, and then you can make money with that, with Google AdSense if you want. So it's always very important to have database, to have people in your autoresponder, and you can send the emails whenever you want. You can, each month, if you have in your database 10,000 emails, if you send one email, you can get results from them. At least you can get views from them. So it is very crucial to have database. That is what I plan for to share with you today. So if you are really interested in this formula, please subscribe this channel and like the video. Thanks for watching. See you at the next video.